What's up, guys? Today we are unboxing, or I guess unpackaging, the Outdoor Vitals Vario jacket. Okay, so as always, they send you a sticker, which we love stickers, and then they send the 2024 product guide with all of their purchases. So you get a look at all their products, everything that they've made, everything they're working on. Cool, keeps you up to date with the company, and then return tag. But let's get into the jacket itself. So this jacket is made of 20D ripstop that you can see there. So it's nice and durable. It's going to hold up decently well to some abuse. That insulation is a 50% recycled insulation. It's not down. It's going to be a synthetic insulation, which again, for more of an athletic oriented jacket is going to be ideal. Along with that athleticism that's in mind, you've got a fully perforated pit zone here, which I think is really nice, right? It helps you kind of maintain some of that breathability when you've got an insulated jacket like this. You've got the long hem in the back, right? The tail is a little bit longer than the front, which is great for snow. And then you've got the thumb loops as well. So this is a jacket that I'm going to be wearing a fair bit this year. I'll probably be doing some backcountry skiing and things like that in this, and I will keep you guys updated as to how much I like it. Peace.